Hi, I'm George Burnett with Fourscore Physical Therapy. I'm in charge of the healthy eating section. I've given healthy eating seminars all across America, and now I'm in the kitchen with you. So let's make one of my favorite drinks, one of the favorites of many customers into my juice bar, number 34, Santa Rita it's called. And here's the ingredients. It's really one of those green drinks here, as you can see. All right, so let's go. Fire up the juicer. Now, kale. Now, I'm going to give you these amounts. This is like a large handful of kale, all right? Kale, you're going to find it, most of you have, maybe not all of you have used kale in a juicer, okay? Probably many of you haven't. Okay, so you wad it up, you kind of push it in, all right? Let's take and put in some spinach behind that as well. It's a large shoot here. Now this is about a cup and a half, if you were to say, of spinach kind of packed into here. Let's push that into here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and just finish this into here. Let's put the ginger. Okay, so there we've got over a cup of wadded up kale. Again, oh man, the vitamins, minerals, and the antioxidants that you get from greens, fresh raw greens here, and into a juice form. It's easy to digest. One of the benefits, as Norman Walker will talk about here, in fresh vegetable and fruit juices. Great book. Bought it many years ago. It was $5.95 many years ago. You can still buy it on Amazon for about that same price, or maybe a little bit more now, years later. He'll go through for you, so I recommend it, but you could Google also just benefits of, kale, benefits of spinach, benefits of cucumber, benefits here, but this is a good book too, okay? All right, so we got our kale, our spinach. Let's take and put some ginger in as well. Now you're going to only put about an inch of ginger, okay? So here's ginger root. You'll see it in the produce section, okay? Again, lots of good vitamins, minerals in here. About an inch, that's about as much as you're going to want, because it's going to give a kick to this thing, okay? All right, let's put that on top here as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cucumber. We've got a half of a good-sized cucumber, okay? So there's, and I'm going to take and start to push that down, get that plunge into here, all right? And then now our green drink is going to start coming out, nice green drink. I'm going to take now the plunger up here and start to push down on this, get that line, finish it up, perfect, okay. Now, apple. So let's go to, I use a lot of Gala, one of my favorites. So you'll get an apple here. Okay, so here's our Gala, not our Gala, here's our Granny Smith. We used our Gala's there, so our Granny Smith. And now, the other ingredient that's going in here is lemon. Alright. In this one, I'm going to use normally about a quarter of a lemon. So I'm going to start you with a quarter, okay? It's a smaller lemon, but you'll use the rind and all, okay? Just drop your lemon in there. Okay? And then kind of rinse it through with your apple. Alright. We're going to drop one more into here, and that will give us a full pint. Oh man. Okay. So there you go. Now check that out. I'll bet many of you watching have never had this much good green nutrition, but it's going to deliver nutrition to your cells. Oh, this is one. Oh, now, okay, so there's one more ingredient. Okay, one more ingredient. Almost forgot it. Here it is over here. Okay, we're going to take this in here. You're going to use your blender now, and you're going to drop this meaning, pour it into the blender. Okay, now, okay, cayenne pepper. Okay, this is one of our most popular juices in our juice bar, called Santa Rita. And now, it depends on how much you can handle. I recommend about one good shake, about like that, and start with that. So one good shake of, which would be, like an 1/8 of a teaspoon, okay? Get you started. Cayenne pepper, it depends on your heat of your hot cayenne pepper. But let's just go with that. And then you're just going to take and hit it just to stir it together just a little bit here. Okay. And there we go. And Cayenne's got some good benefits as well. Go ahead and Google cayenne, benefits of cayenne. There it is. Cheers, okay? It's about the right hit for the cayenne, about one shake, okay? Some of my customers would come in and go, give me 2 or 3 shakes of the cayenne. and they toughen up. Green nourishment to the cells, okay? I could never, when I gave the juice in the healthy eating seminars around the country, I could never prove that this could deliver all the way to your cells. We can now. That's one of your 4 scores in the 4-score physical therapy program. Antioxidant score to your tissue. That's where all the cells are, right? Tissue of the body. And you want to have the high zone score to stay young longer. Get that up there, get that high. Lots of this. So you get your exercise, you get your healthy eating, take your supplements. There's a reason to take supplements. Most of us aren't going to eat as healthy as we could or should. A lot of fruits and vegetables don't have the nutrition that they probably did, or that they would be if they were kind of homegrown. So supplement that along with, and we're going to help you get lined out with that. But get as much of this as you can. And that's a great one. All right, now this is how we measure. This is the ability to measure, is this right here. So it's one of the 4 scores. Put your hand on here. It's 30 seconds now. I was introduced to this technology numbers of years ago, but it's still basically a new technology in so many ways. New because so many people don't know about it as a non-invasive way to measure antioxidants in your body. Carotenoid antioxidants. Very important. All right, so there you go. Ginger and cucumber and lemon and your apple and your kale and your spinach and your cayenne pepper. It's got some heat to it, got nutrition to it. One of the great stuff too. Perfect. Cheers. George Burnett. Eat healthy, get your exercise, stay strong, get your proteins as well. You might want to add some proteins. Now this has got a lot of greens in it already, but this is the way to get the extra proteins. Get set up and add that in. Some of the other juices I'm going to show you how to just kind of blend that in. Just throw it in here, throw the protein into it. You get about 15 grams of protein with each one of those scoops. And there's a lot of, my favorite is the green shake. It is non-dairy and it is plant-based and non-dairy and a lot, wheatgrass in there. And you add that to this, you got your protein, you got that's more nutrition than most Americans get in a week, I believe. Okay. Perfect. Thanks again. George Burnett, 4-score physical therapy. Get with us. Get set up on the program. We want to help you be your best. Thanks now.